Right now, something important is happening. The digital world is shifting, and every pioneer needs to pay close attention. This moment could define the future of your Pi journey. The Pi network is under attack by scammers targeting your hard work and trust. These bad actors are working overtime, trying to exploit the dedication and hope of our global community. Fake websites and false news are spreading, aiming to steal what you've earned. They mimic official channels, making it harder to tell what's real and what's a trap. This is not a time for panic, but for serious caution. Stay calm, but be alert. Your awareness is your best defense. The dream of Pi, a fair, accessible digital currency, depends on your vigilance. Every pioneer plays a role in protecting this vision for everyone. Scammers are clever, using official-sounding language and realistic websites. They may even copy logos, colors, and layouts to trick you into believing their lies. They prey on your excitement, especially as open mainnet approaches. The closer we get to this milestone, the more aggressive these scams become. Every tap, every invite, every bit of faith you've put in Pi is at risk. Your actions matter. One careless moment could put your Pi in danger. These criminals want to steal your investment in a single click. They rely on you letting your guard down, even for a second. But our unity and awareness are our greatest strengths. When we look out for each other, we make it harder for scammers to succeed. We must be smarter, more vigilant, and more connected than ever. Share what you learn, and never hesitate to warn others if you spot something suspicious. This is a security alert, a guide to protect yourself and the Pi ecosystem. Take every warning seriously and always double-check before you act. The strength of Pi is its people. Your safety is our top priority. Together, we can build a safer, stronger network for all. By sharing knowledge and staying alert, we can keep our community safe. Every conversation, every tip, and every warning makes a difference. Let's stand together and ensure no pioneer falls for these schemes. Our unity is our shield. Your Pi is your own. Let's keep it that way. Protect your account, your information, and your future. Listen carefully to the steps ahead. The next actions you take could make all the difference. The future of Pi depends on all of us. Stay vigilant, stay informed, and together, let's secure the promise of Pi for generations to come. You've probably seen official news about Pi on social media or strange websites. These posts often look convincing, using professional graphics and urgent headlines to grab your attention. It's easy to get excited when you see news that promises big changes or opportunities, especially if it seems to come from a trusted source. These announcements use the Pi logo and promise big developments, like Pi finally having a value or being tradable. They might even claim that a major exchange is about to list Pi, or that a special event is happening soon. Most of these are completely fake, designed to trick you. Scammers use flashy graphics and urgent language to make you act quickly, without thinking. Scammers know what pioneers want to hear, and they study the community to craft believable stories. They know that hope and excitement can cloud judgment. They craft messages to lure you in. They create entire websites that look almost identical to the real thing, making it hard to tell the difference. Some even produce fake video interviews, using actors or deepfakes to pretend they're Pi network officials. These videos can be very convincing, adding to the illusion of legitimacy. Their goal is simple: get you to lower your guard and click their links. Once you do, you could be exposing your personal information or even your Pi account. Every time a fake post is shared, the danger spreads further. Misinformation can go viral in minutes, reaching thousands of people before anyone realizes it's a scam. An excited pioneer might unknowingly lead friends into a trap, simply by sharing what they think is good news. The cycle continues, putting more people at risk. We must stop the spread of misinformation. It's up to all of us to be vigilant and protect our community from these threats. Always question, verify, and rely only on official sources. If something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Double-check announcements on the official Pi network channels. The power to stop scams starts with you. Stay alert, stay informed, and help others do the same. Let's expose the most common lies. Claim, Pi has a set value or is listed on exchanges. False. No price is set during enclosed mainnet. Claim, you can buy or sell Pi on external exchanges. False. Any such site is a scam. Claim, there's a Pi airdrop or giveaway. False. The core team will never ask for your passphrase. Claim, you must upgrade or verify your account by paying a fee or clicking a link. False. All official processes happen in the Pi app. Never enter your passphrase or login details on any site except the official Pi app or Pi browser. Recognizing these lies is your first defense. Stay alert and protect your assets. In a world of fake links, knowing the real ones is your best defense. The only official website is minepi.com. All major announcements and updates are posted there. The official Pi app and Pi browser are your secure gateways. If it's not minepi.com or the official app, it's not safe. Ignore professional-looking fakes. Always check the web address. The Pi app delivers trusted messages directly to your phone. No secret sites, no partner domains, just minepi.com and the official app. Commit these sources to memory. Any other link is a threat. Stay within these boundaries to remain safe. Anything outside minepi.com or the official app is dangerous. The internet is full of traps, and scammers are always looking for new ways to trick unsuspecting users. If you ever come across a website that claims to be related to Pi but isn't on the official domain, you should immediately be on high alert. Scammers create domains like piexchange.com or piwalletverify.net. These are all fake. They may look convincing, but their only goal is to steal your information and your Pi. One notorious site is chengdiao.fun. Avoid it at all costs. This site, and others like it, are designed to trick you into thinking they're legitimate, but they are run by scammers. These sites mimic official Pi platforms and ask for your wallet passphrase. They might even copy the look and feel of the real site to fool you. Your 24-word passphrase is the master key to your wallet. Never share it. If someone gets access to this passphrase, they can take everything in your wallet, and there's no way to get it back. The core team will never ask for it. No official representative, moderator, or support member will ever request your passphrase, not even for troubleshooting or support. Entering your passphrase on a fake site hands your Pi to thieves permanently. Once it's gone, there's no recovery process. Your Pi is lost forever. Do not visit suspicious websites or click unknown links. Even a single careless click can put your assets at risk. Always check the domain before clicking, even if sent by a friend. Scammers often use social engineering to spread malicious links through trusted contacts. If it's not minepi.com, don't proceed. Bookmark the official site and use it every time to avoid mistakes. Warn others if you see scam links. Sharing information and raising awareness helps protect the whole community. Treat unofficial sites like dark alleys. Don't go there. If something feels off, trust your instincts and leave immediately. Stay in the light of official channels. Use only trusted sources and verified apps to keep your Pi safe. Protect yourself and your community. By staying vigilant, you help build a safer environment for everyone. Your caution is your shield. Stay alert, stay informed, and always double-check before you act. What do scammers want? Your wallet passphrase and login details. With your passphrase, they can steal all your Pi instantly. With your login, they can hijack your account and target your friends. Fake sites may also install malware, risking your entire device. Clicking a bad link can expose you to keyloggers or ransomware. These scams are pure fraud. Scammers create nothing, only take. They exploit your excitement and curiosity. Don't let them win. Know what they're after and you can stop them. Stay cautious and protect your information. Here's your personal security checklist. First, don't click suspicious links. If it's not mindpie.com, ignore it, even from friends. Second, never share your wallet passphrase. Write it down, store it offline, and never type it into any website. Third, only trust information from the Pi app or mindpie.com. Verify everything. Fourth, keep your app and phone updated for the latest security protections. Treat your passphrase like the key to your life savings. Don't trust screenshots or forwarded messages. Always check the source. Updates protect you from new threats. These 4 steps build a fortress around your Pi. Simple habits, strong protection. Share these rules with others. Security is everyone's responsibility. Stay alert, stay safe. Your security matters, but so does the community's. When one pioneer is scammed, we all suffer. If you spot a scam or fake link, warn your friends and security circle immediately. A quick message can save someone from disaster. Report fake posts, accounts, and websites on social media and to Google Safe Browsing. The more we report, the faster scams disappear. Be a voice of caution in Pi groups and chats. Help newcomers spot scams and share official rules. Only trust the Pi app and mindpie.com. By helping others, you strengthen the whole network. Our unity is our best defense. Look out for each other. Together, we are stronger. The Pi network is about building a fair, global digital economy, not getting rich quick. Scams test our resolve and threaten our future. Security is the foundation of Pi's value. Protecting your Pi protects the entire network. Every scam we stop makes Pi stronger and more trustworthy. This is a marathon, not a sprint. Real value comes from patience and real utility. Scams offer shortcuts that lead nowhere. The official path is steady and secure. Let's walk it together. Stay united, vigilant, and informed. Guard your Pi as if the future depends on it, because it does. Together we'll build a trustworthy digital economy for all. The future is in our hands. Let's protect it.